Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your file. Save a copy so changes are reversible. Once done, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H. Make sure the cursor is in the area you want to edit. You choose the scope now, entire document versus selected text, because that determines impact. Next, type the character you want removed into the Find box and leave Replace blank. This prepares Word to strip every occurrence. Make sure autocorrect won't reinsert characters before you proceed. You now refine the operation so results are precise. If you only want lowercase q or standalone q, enable match case or whole word to avoid breaking words like quit. For tricky characters, open special and choose non-breaking space or wildcards. Wildcards let you target patterns. Then run replace all when confident or step through replace to inspect each hit. If you see unexpected results, immediately undo with Ctrl+Z so you don't propagate mistakes. Finish by validating changes. Scan headings, lists, and code blocks to ensure removing Q didn't alter meaning. Once done, run Find for the character again to confirm 0 matches and save a new version. If you accidentally removed needed characters, immediately undo or reopen your backup copy. Do not keep editing the damaged file. If formatting shifted, try Reveal Formatting to fix styles or paste into plain text and reapply formatting to recover structure without hidden characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.